Okay, we're going to be working on a high elbow strike right now, a high forward elbow strike. It's going to come across like this. Do you know when else you should do this? Wait a second. Choo! That's when you should do it, whenever you sneeze, okay? So we shouldn't be sneezing into our hands because then we can touch stuff with it. Bad news, bears. Don't do that. What we're going to do instead is sneeze into our elbow like this. And we're going to be learning a really cool combination here pretty soon. So let's get started with the first move of this combination. We'll start from ready for action. Or bring your elbow up like this so we can sneeze into it. Nice loud ki. Ready? 1. Ki. Oh my goodness, I had to sneeze again. Use your other hand. Ready? 2. Ki. 3. Ki. 4. Ki. 5. Ki. And one more time. 6. Ki. Very nice. That's our high forward elbow strike. And also how you should sneeze. Choo! See, I brought my elbow up like that. Very nicely done.